Delhi. Rizland Sky Mansion Lifestyle High-Rise Apartment. The guard collaboration of smart investors. Delhi's big industrialists participated in the collaboration of smart investors. Best wishes to Dheeraj Jain and Shalu Jain, directors of Smart Investors, along with the same cake cutting. Congratulated Dheeraj Jain and Shalu Jain, directors of Rizland Sky Mansion, give the project discussed about it. People present spoke to smart investors Dheeraj Jain, Shalu Jain after seeing Rizland Sky Mansion 3 BHK apartment. See what people said about Rizland Sky Mansion apartment. This news, Delhi.
Hi, this is Shalu Jain and he is my smart husband Dheeraj Jain, and we are here at a grand launch event of Smart Investors at Rizland Sky Mansion, Chhatarpur, New Delhi. Guys, we are so happy to see such beautiful crowd and elite customers, our esteemed guests over here. So many people have turned out today, and we are in collaboration with Audi Delhi South over here. And thank you so much, my proud guests, to be here and appreciating the project and took out their precious time to spend some time at this beautiful project, and lot many more events to come. And we are so happy to launch our new brand, Smart Investors. Rizland Sky Mansion is one of the luxurious high-rise apartment in Delhi at the prime location Chhatarpur Main Road, and already 70% of the construction has been completed. Only 30% has been left. 15 floors इनके already बन चुके हैं. 26 floors तक इनका जाएगा. इनका triplex penthouse है. And it is being designed by Tarun Tahilyani. So guys, check out if you are looking for luxurious designer homes in Delhi.
My name is Dhruv Rathi, and I would really like to congratulate Shalu and Dheeraj for this wonderful event they have organized. The apartment is very nice, and it is very luxurious. The setting and the thought behind this apartment is also very nice. Thank you.
I am Dheeraj Jain. We have started a new brand, Smart Investors, and we are here at Chhatarpur, which is a beautiful project and an amazing location, which is with Rizland Sky Mansion. This is only 163 apartments total, which is 3 BHK, 4 BHK and penthouses starting from 6.5 crores. And it's an amazing location. You have green on the both sides and amenities which are uncountable, security which is tremendous, and construction quality which is super than A1. So there is absolutely no reason why you should not be here. This is the place to invest and the place to stay. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shikha A. Sharma, the celebrity dietitian and nutritionist. I own my 48 franchises across the globe, from New Jersey, New York, London, and now we are coming up in California and South Africa as well, and very soon you'll see us in Pakistan also. Right, so I'm very honored that it's gonna be first brand which is there globally across all the countries. And आज मैं शालू जैन एंड धीरज जैन के इवेंट पे हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ द वंडरफुल इवेंट एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम कुछ बाय करने आए, हम कुछ खरीदने आए एंड कुछ नहीं, बहुत अल्ट्रा लग्जूरियस चीज़ लेने आए हैं. दैट इज़ Rizland. It's a luxurious property which is there in Chhatarpur, and I've seen the penthouse. It's amazing, and the best part is designed by Tarun Tahilyani. So of course, मेरा दिल इस पे आ गया है, and we're going to purchase one because in Delhi it's all about luxury, it's all about the class, and Rizland definitely fulfill all your requirements. Thank you.
I'm Pooja Thakur. I'm founder and director of Growth Thoughts. We are into learning and development space. So today I'm here at Skyland Mansion, and this is one of the luxurious project in South Delhi, which is very spectacular. And this entire event is hosted by Dheeraj Jain and Shalu Jain, and they are launching their company also, which is Smart Investors. So we are very happy, we are enjoying. We have seen the apartment, it's very nice, very well done, and so are we here. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shalini Bhatia. I'm a model and actress, and I would like to congratulate the whole group of Riseland. And this is a ready-to-move apartment, and I would like to thank you, Shaluji, for inviting me. And it's such a luxury apartment. I really liked it, and thank you so much.
This is Shalu Jindal, the winner of the Red Darling ZTV, and today I am here at Rizland, and Shalu Jain has invited me here, and I'm so happy to see the way they have really they've shown the apartments and the space they have provided, and I'm really so happy to see this, and I'm looking for a very good future for these Rizland properties, and thank you Shalu Jain for inviting me here.
Myself is Manish. I am from Easy Save and Abhi's Khadi India. And first of all, I just congrats Shaluji for lovely event and inviting us. And to be very honest, this is the one of the best building I ever seen, high rise in Delhi. So 3 cheers to the people who are actually promoting like Shalu, like smart investors and Rizland Sky Mansion. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Preeti Seth from Pacholi Wellness Clinic. We have everything at Pacholi from head to toe, you name anything, and we are there. We are in 8 locations taking care of you. And today we've been invited by Mr. Dheeraj and Shalu. Beautiful event put together, and they are promoting this land. We've just been to their apartments, beautifully made, conceptualized, 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. You all must come and see. And congratulations to Dheeraj and Shalu for having this grand event, handling so many people, and congratulations to both of you. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm designer Rosie Aluwalia from Delhi, and I would like to first congratulate the entire team for the smart investment which has launched the Rizland. जो इतनी beautiful apartments इसने बनाया है, it's out of the world. Look at the floor, look at the interiors, look at the color combination. It's like amazing, no words.
मैं संजय मित्तल, प्रेसिडेंट दिल्ली चांदीवरक एसोसिएशन और प्रचार मंत्री लव कुश रामलीला, और सो मैनी पोस्ट आई हैव. प्लस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू शालू जैन एंड धीरज जैन जी. उन्होंने अभी जो ग्रैंड लॉन्च करा है अपना स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर का, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत इनको मुबारकबाद. प्लस अनवीलिंग हो रहा है जो रिचलैंड स्काई मैंशन का, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर ऑल योर, इनके जितने भी फ्यूचर एंडीवर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. थैंक यू.
Basically, I'm Riya Yadav. I'm as an educationist, social activist and artist. So आज जो इवेंट है शालू जी का एंड धीरज जी का, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट भी. I really enjoyed it, and many congratulations to Shalu ji and Dheeraj ji. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Nirupama Gupta and my husband Sanjeev Gupta. Hi. We are here to congratulate Shalu and Dheeraj for the new venture. This is absolutely beautiful, stunning, and I would recommend people to come have a look.
Congratulations, Shalu.